Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create product descriptions with Grammarly step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Grammarly website. Log into your Grammarly account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, locate the New Document button on the dashboard. Click on the New Document button to start a fresh project. In the document interface, begin by typing out your initial product description. Focus on including essential details about the product, such as features and benefits. Once you have your description drafted, take a moment to review it. Grammarly will automatically highlight any grammar or spelling mistakes. Click on the highlighted text to see the suggestions Grammarly offers. Make adjustments as needed to enhance clarity and flow. Pay attention to the tone suggestions provided by Grammarly. Choose a tone that matches your brand and resonates with your target audience. Incorporate relevant keywords that will help with search engine optimization. As you make revisions, Grammarly will notify you of any updates in real time. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, read through the description one final time. Check for overall coherence and ensure the product is well represented. When finalized, you can either copy the description for your online store or download it. Keep your product descriptions concise yet informative to engage potential buyers effectively. With these steps, you'll have a polished product description ready to increase your sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.